3 examples of bad decisions that can be made when your prefrontal cortex and brain are not working properly because you're filling it with poison all day long. First bad decision here would be to expand capacity before demand exists. This happens in trucking tremendously. When you are not getting the sales that you need, a lot of times guys will get additional trucks or just kind of pedal to the metal. Let's pump up sales to make sure that this thing can all work. A lot of that can manifest from living in delusion or living in past markets. Bad decision number 2 that we can make when we are consuming poison on a daily basis is revealing negative emotions in business or any other type of scenario. In business, you want to show that obviously you can maintain your cool, that you are someone level-headed to work with, and that you're generally a good person. Because people want to work with good people. Example of bad decision number 3 to make is neglecting issues that give you anxiety. When you are in a place of increased stress and you are now in the place of escapism, you are now escaping stress. When you're now avoiding the thing that you should be handling, you're going to have more and more issues pile up, and you're going to have more and more things that you are not handling.